Mass is measured in kilograms, or grams. The number of kilograms of mass in an object gives us some idea of how much material matter is in that object. Weight is also measured in kilograms or grams for common everyday use, but technically the SI unit for weight is the Newton. Keep in mind that mass and weight are not the same thing. Mass measures the amount of matter in an object, and weight measures the gravitational force pulling the object down onto the scale. But if mass and weight are not the same thing, then why do we often hear the two words used interchangeably? Well, it's because of the way we determine mass. We determine the mass of an object by weighing it on Earth. So on Earth, and only on Earth, mass and weight will have the same number. And once we determine the mass of an object, that number does not change, no matter where the object is located in the universe. Let's use Alexander as an example. Alexander weighs 100 kilograms, or about 220 pounds. If we assume that the scales are properly calibrated, and that Alexander is weighing himself on Earth, we can then say that his mass is also 100 kilograms, because on the Earth, the weight and mass of an object will be the same number in units of kilograms. Now let's put a label on Alexander's shirt so that we can remember his mass, and weigh him again, but this time on the moon. At first, Alex is excited because he has lost a lot of weight. On the moon, he weighs 16.7 kilograms. But when Alex looks down at his waistline, he's confused. He can easily see that there has been no decrease in body mass. Remember, mass is a measurement of the amount of matter in an object, and Alex still contains all of the matter that makes up his body. However, his weight on the moon is much less, so his mass is still 100 kilograms, although on the moon his weight is 16.7 kilograms. Alexander has lost weight because the gravitational force of the moon is only 1/6 that of the Earth. So his body mass remains the same, but the gravitational force pulling him down on the scale is only 1/6 as strong as it was on Earth.